Hello students, in today's biology class, you will learn about food pyramids. So let's begin with the topic. Before going to start food pyramid, see what is pyramid. Pyramid is any figure or shape that has a large base which continues narrowing at each level upward and finally ending as a small point. Same thing happened with the food pyramid. A food pyramid shows the relative size of different components at the various trophic level of a food chain. It means the size of the component at each trophic level varies. This definition will be very much clear with this example. This is a pyramid as you can see here, and in this at the producer level, see at the producer level it contains a large number of plants, and similarly if we will talk about the weight, then plants they have a higher mass as compared to the herbivores, and herbivores which eats these plants definitely they have a lesser mass, and these herbivore plants when they are eaten by a carnivore animal, their number is less as compared to the herbivores, and similarly when this primary carnivore animal is eaten by a top carnivore, that is lion, the number of top carnivore is lesser as compared to the primary carnivore animal. So in this way you can see at every level the number and the mass of each living organism varies step by step, and it is in decreasing order. As you can see, it is in decreasing order, number also and their mass also. Now the types of food pyramid. Food pyramids are of two types, pyramid of numbers and pyramid of biomass. First, see about the pyramid of numbers. A pyramid of number shows the relative number of individual organisms at each trophic level. As you can see here, at each trophic level, we are talking about the number of organism at each trophic level. This is the primary, this is the first trophic level, then second, third, fourth and top level. As you can see, the number of organism at each level varies and it is in decreasing order. Now, when we draw this pyramid of numbers, the shape of the pyramid of numbers will be upright, means in the decreasing order, means at the base the large number of the organism will come at the base and the least number of organisms will come at top level. A pyramid of number can be used to show the number of organisms at each stage of a food chain. As you can see here, large number of small organisms they are placed at the base, and the small number of large organisms they are placed at the top. The next is pyramid of biomass. Biomass is the total amount of living tissue within a given trophic level. A pyramid of biomass illustrates the relative amount of living organic matter available at each trophic level. It means this pyramid of biomass, it relates or it tells us about the mass, total mass of organism at a specific trophic level. If we will talk about this example, just see the first level, that is of producer, that is plants. Plants are eaten by a grasshopper, and definitely the plants they are larger in number as compared to grasshopper, and when these plants are being eaten by a grasshopper, their number is lesser as compared to plants. And when these grasshoppers are eaten by a frog, then their number also decreases and their mass also decreases. And when this frog is eaten by a snake, the biomass of snake is lesser as compared to frog. And ultimately, when an eagle eats the snake, the biomass of eagle is less as compared to snake, because in its lifetime, this eagle, it's not eaten only one snake. Several snakes are being eaten by one eagle. So mass of that several snakes is more as compared to one eagle. Now the pyramid of biomass, this will also be in upright position. Upright position means the greatest amount of biomass is found in the producer. The producer's biomass is greatest and they are placed at the base, and the least amount in tertiary consumers, and they are placed at the top. So this is about your food pyramid. For more detail, just go through your textbook. Today's homework: define food pyramid. Question number 2. Explain the pyramid of numbers with an example. Question number 3. Write about the pyramid of biomass with an example. Write these answers in your biology notebook, and in this 2 questions, question number 2 and in question number 3, when you will explain the pyramid of number, you will draw the pyramid of numbers which is given in your textbook, and same you will do with the pyramid of biomass also. In both the questions, you will draw the pyramid of number and pyramid of biomass in your notebook. Thank you.